You'd be surprised. Hello, Super Mario Brothers.
So, what's on your bucket list?
Me?
Yeah, everyone has a bucket list, right?
Well, sure, but I mean, you're the one leaving Earth. And I'm not planning on dying anytime soon.
Oh, don't be so sure. Your best friend is a magnet for danger.
You're already anointing yourself as the bestie.
Mm-hmm.
A little presumptuous, but I mean, what? No, I like you, of course, but you know, we're not best friends.
You tucked me in last night. Fine. Best animal friend.
That would be my dog.
Okay, let's drop this increasingly humiliating topic of conversation. Bucket list. Give it to me.
Okay, there is one thing. In Green Hills, I've always felt, I don't know, more like a babysitter than a real cop, you know? So I want a chance to prove myself. Under real pressure. I'm going to move to San Francisco, become a street cop. And, I don't know, see if I have what it takes. What? Why is your face doing that?
You're leaving Green Hills?
Okay.
But why? Why would you leave Green Hills?
This may be hard for you to understand, but Green Hills is a small town. It's a very small town.
It's not small. There are hundreds of people.
That's a small town, dude.
It's a perfect town, and the people need...
Please, I clean out their gutters. I jumpstart their cars in the winter. They could call anybody to do that.
Sure, they can call anybody, but they don't. They call you.
Mayhem.
You're not making any sense. You calm down. You come from a great town with great people, and by my count, 0 bad guys trying to kill you. Besides, what could possibly be more important than protecting the people you care about? I was wrong about you. You're not the Donut Lord at all. You're more like the Jerk Lord. Have you noticed the harpoon stuck in our gas? Sonic! I was forced from my home. Your home is perfect and you're leaving it. Why would you do that? Your body! No, not again. Hey, hold on. Why? Because I'm going to do this. Guess I had a bonus life. Oh yeah, baby. A Sonic 1, a Big Tank 0. I'm sorry. Did we get that on camera? How are you not dead? I have no idea. Do you see me dancing?
Yes, I saw you dance.
Is that all you got?
No, but thank you for asking.
Uh-oh. Sonic, get back in the car. You go. I'll catch up. Tank just had a baby. Incoming!
It's my turn. Everybody's mine.
Hey, stop fighting or I'm taking that thing away.
That's right, Dad.
Where are you going? Just drive the car. I'll take care of this. And if I don't make it, Just ditch me. You seem good at that.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my live stream. Today we're destroying robots.
Step one. Yes, we did it! We did not do it. Who is this guy?
Ever wonder where your tax dollars are going?
My turn. Here, just keep us going straight.
I feel just like Smith and Diesel. It's all about family, Tom. Quick suggestion, roll up into a ball and smash it with your body.
Whoa! We're doing it on a track!
Here, in this truck. It's happening as we speak.
I can't reach it! Bring him in closer!
What?
Bring him in closer! Hit the brakes!
Oh, you mean this?
The other brakes!
Give me a big fat right!
Oh, this one is cute. Let's keep him. Oh, come on! How could something so adorable be so terrible? You got car insurance, right? Stop. That doesn't sound good.
No, thinking is bad! Get rid of it!
I'm trying.
Throw it out the window! Throw it anywhere!
I can't get it off.
Alright, I'm pulling over!
Did I get it?
No.
Here, hold still.
It's going, it's going. It's still here. Get off me. Ha-ha! Nailed it!
Sonic!
Did we get them? Oh, no, there they are. They are real survivors, those two. Can we have a moment? Pin yourself.
You know, I won't miss you when you're gone. Human beings are unreliable and stupid, and I care very little about them. But my machines are diligent, relentless. They're everything to me.